Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the DFJKJUU portable washing machine. In today's video, we will delve into their specifications, features, and usability to help you make an informed decision. The WonderWash is a manual, non-electric washing machine designed for small loads, while the DFJKJUU offers a semi-automatic experience with a built-in spin dryer. Let's see how these two machines stack up against each other. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring no electricity, making it an eco-friendly option for those who want to wash clothes anywhere. On the other hand, the DFJKJUU portable washing machine is electric, providing a more convenient washing experience with push-button controls and multiple wash cycles. While the manual operation of the WonderWash may appeal to some, the electric functionality of the DFJKJUU offers greater ease and efficiency. When it comes to capacity, the DFJKJUU portable washing machine takes the lead with a 16-liter capacity, allowing you to wash more clothes in a single load. In contrast, the WonderWash has a smaller capacity of just 5 pounds, which may require more frequent washing for larger households. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry routine, especially if you have a lot of items to clean. The WonderWash is designed for simplicity, focusing on manual operation without additional features like spin drying. In contrast, the DFJKJUU portable washing machine includes a spin drying function and multiple wash cycles, making it a more versatile option for various laundry needs. If you prioritize convenience and functionality, the DFJKJUU may be the better choice for you. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the DFJKJUU portable washing machine have their unique advantages. The WonderWash is perfect for those who prefer a manual, eco-friendly option, while the DFJKJUU offers more features and greater capacity for those who need efficiency. We hope this comparison has helped you decide which mini washing machine is the best fit for your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.